Hey guys, we're here at Amicalola Falls State Park in Dawsonville, Georgia, enjoying our Martin Luther King Day. Amicalola Falls is actually the highest waterfall in Georgia at 729 feet. It's also the third highest cascading waterfall east of the Mississippi. The park has so many things to offer. They've got like archery, zip lines, a survival camp, which seems pretty cool. They also have 8 miles, a little over 8 miles of hiking trails throughout the park. They have the Appalachian Approach Trail, which connects to the AT, and that is 8.3 miles. We're actually going to be doing the East Ridge Trail, which is 1 mile to the falls and 1 mile back. So we're going to go check the waterfalls out. Let's go. That way is to Springer Mountain. That trail's 8.5 miles. Get to the Appalachian Trail.
This one is?
Yeah, it's the AT Approach Trail.
Okay. And this one we're doing?
And the one we're doing is the East Ridge Trail to the falls.
Alright guys, so just a quick update on my leg and how it's doing. It's doing a lot better. So that was a couple of weeks ago when I took that fall to that hike we did to the crashed plane in North Carolina. If you haven't seen that video, we'll put a link in the description or a little card up here. So yeah, and plus
we got sick a little after Christmas because the Georgia weather can't make up its mind. But we're feeling a little better, and it's good to be able to come back out here and be outside and enjoy nature.
Oh yeah, we're loving it. It's beautiful today.
Yeah, it's cold. Very cold.
Yeah. It's like, what, it was 19 degrees earlier.
Yeah, now it's probably about 29, 30.
All right, we'll catch y'all at the top.
Is that a part of the trail?
Huh?
Is that a part of the trail?
Oh yeah. Maybe a bear trail.
Top of Falls overlook. This away. So this trail, it comes up. It's pretty high elevation. And once you get out of the canopy, you get these awesome views of the mountain range, because this is like right on the base of the Blue Ridge Mountains. But I think it would be a great time to come during fall, like when the leaves are all pretty, because I'm sure that would be beautiful. But also like during winter, you get to see the mountains, which are just super awesome. So it's been a pretty cool hike so far.
I could climb there.
I just need a video of compilations of you saying, I can climb that, looking at rock walls. Every time you see rocks, like, I can climb that.
I can.
There it is.
That is these guys are not
Alright, so we're going to take the West Ridge staircase down to the base of the falls and then out of the park. 425 steps.
And that waterfall is beautiful. It is so pretty. Look at this. You get to walk the staircase right beside the waterfall the whole way down. So it's going to be nice.
He's named Jake. Oh, really? My brother called him Jake the Snake.
Look at him.
Jake? I'm gonna miss it.
Maybe. So soft. He's beautiful.
Amicalola Falls State Park. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at that waterfall. It's awesome. We took the East Ridge Trail up here, which was pretty strenuous, but not too bad. And we're going to take the West Ridge Trail down, which is the 475 steps, but I'd much rather take them down than take them up, you know. We really enjoyed it. We hope y'all did too. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
So there's raptors in this park.